Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today it's with great pride that I'm unboxing a brand new pair of speakers from ELAC, their Solano BS 283s. This is a completely new range for ELAC, sitting a little bit above Carina, a little bit less than Vila, but these stunning speakers are taking the best out of some of their ranges and the most cost-effective production out of the Carinas. The Jet 5 tweeter that they feature is second to none in its class, extending its frequency range beyond 50 kilohertz. It's stunning. So, let's have a look. Firstly, ELAC's packaging, very muted brown packaging, taped with ELAC branded tape, along with staples, but we'll get to those in a moment. Good sized carry handles because there's a pair of speakers in this box, making it actually very, very heavy. ELAC information, branding on one side, and then the product information in a scan code at one end. What we see also is that these will be in the white finish. Opening boxes like this is relatively straightforward. There's kind of a second element to it. Very carefully run the craft knife across the tape and then kind of wrench it. There's no elegant way of doing that part. Because it's stapled closed, you kind of need to give it a good tug and get rid of them. Now, as always, and my best advice, as soon as you open the carton, get rid of the staples. You won't get injured or scratched, and you won't damage the product as you mess around with the packaging. Opening it at this point, you see a couple of big orange stickers, a warning that you have to be very careful unboxing these. They don't have grills, and so when you pull them out you could damage the drive units, so you just have to be a little bit more careful. My recommendation, given that they have a closed cell foam, is that you simply lift the foam out and then taking the speaker towards the bottom you can rock it and lift it out. Now in the base of the box there's a couple of things to look out for. The first is a basic instruction manual, and that is around the whole range. The Solanos have a bookshelf and floor standing speaker, and then an accessory pack unique to the speakers themselves. Now firstly we'll pause on the accessories. What they've added is a series of screws associated with some razor feet and some cork sort of rubber add-ons to go on them, allowing you, if they're on a bookshelf, to be able to first screw the feet in and then the cork protection over the top. Should it be on a stand, ELAC has also provided you, let's get all those out, there's 8 of those of course, 4 for each speaker, 8 of the cork pads, and should you not be putting it on a bookshelf, it features an Allen key and a series of much larger bolts to screw in through a stand into the pre-tapped locations in the speakers themselves. And it's wonderful to see this level of attention to detail with the accessories for these products added in such a budget speaker. So, given the fact that these are both the same, I'm going to take this one, slide it off the edge, and concentrate on the next steps with just one of the speakers. The bag is oversized and it's pretty straightforward as far as getting it out. It's an oversized bag, as I said, and it's a good quality plastic as well. A simple nick, and then the same goes for the sellotape then holding the cloth bag. Now a cloth bag is utilised on the next layer to protect the paint finish. It's actually a bit of a polished cloth bag, and it means that in transit any vibration is actually probably doing a good thing rather than something bad. The first thing it reveals is the steel plate base, and again the 4 locations for the large screws. I'll tip it forward. Please, as always, hang around for some photographs, you'll see some close-ups. You'll see the pre-tapped 4 locations for the large bolts for when it's on a stand, and the smaller screw points slightly inside for the additional optional feet. The foot is a trickle down of innovation from the Vila bookshelves, and also seen the Carina bookshelves, where the foot tapers up to allow the port to breathe in a very managed and different way. Firstly, we'll see the elegance of the finish that they've chosen, this gloss white. Secondly, all the curves. Straight edges can be a real negative as far as reflection directly off the cabinet. ELAC have invested in this range with a curved front, tapered and curved edges, and the cabinet itself offers wonderful bracing and a very elegant approach, despite answering most of the questions associated with some of the direct reflection off a straight edge. Tipping the speaker back so we can have a quick look, we see centre and low down the ELAC logo. Directly above is a unique to this range mid-bass driver. It's 150mm, beautiful as far as its engineering, big magnet, big voice coil. It's got a huge engine behind it. Above it is the now iconic Jet tweeter, the Jet 5, which is one of their very, very best. It's protected with a little bit of a grill, and you can see the folded nature of that tweeter quite clearly. Again, hang around for some photographs, we'll take some close-ups. The speaker is a two-way design, and it's we'll get down to about 41 Hz, so very, very deep for such a small speaker, and quite unheard of in most of its price range. Looking around, we get an understanding of the depth of the speaker. It's not very big, and the separation between the foot and the base to allow the port to breathe and have that airflow managed. It allows for almost 360-degree disbursement of that port, also meaning that the front of the speaker can be somewhat more compact without having to have a port to manage the airflow in the cabinet. At the rear, we see a very, very elegant approach to things. The quality of the binding posts and the fit and finish is second to none in its price. And even the very elegant choice that they've made of a bridging clip is one of those additional little features that ELAC has added to give that pride of ownership and that sense of quality in all of their speakers. It's clearly labelled as far as the lows and highs, and an emulation of the model number and serial number and a scan code. You'll see that the binding post at the rear is a little bit oversized and bolted with big solid bolts into the back. Their attention to detail is second to none for its price. So, there we have it. ELAC's brand new Solano bookshelf speakers, the BS283, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.